muscle tissues do have some common properties, even though they look different. One of them is called excitability, and I'm sure you know what that is, but basically what happens here is the plasma membranes can change their electrical state. They can go from polarized to depolarized, and what that does, it sends this electrical wave on this action potential. It sort of shoots this electrical response, and it goes through the entire length of the membrane. Now, our nervous system can influence excitability more so with skeletal muscle than with cardiac and smooth, because with skeletal muscle, we actually depend on our nervous system because it's a very voluntary motion, right? So if you decide to wave at somebody or even flip them off if you're in the car, since we are using a car analogy, you're actually using active muscles. You're making an active voluntary response, and your nervous system is going to be activated there. On the other hand, both cardiac and smooth muscle, even though they are somewhat impacted by a central nervous system, they tend to respond to things like hormones and local stimuli. So just wanted to let you know that. Also, there's some other terms that you do need to be aware of. First of all, elasticity. That basically means the muscle returns to its original length when relaxed. Extensibility. That means that it can be stretched or extended. And then contractility allows muscle tissue to sort of pull at its attachment points and shorten with force as needed. So those are just terms that you do need to understand when it comes in relation to muscle tissue.